Hi everyone! So I met up with my crafty friend, my subby Lisa. She lives about an hour from me and she had found some things at her Hobby Lobby that I did not find at mine, so she bought them for me. Then we met up so I could pick them up, and then she's always so sweet. She gave me a gift, so we're gonna go through everything right now. So she found these on clearance at Hobby Lobby for $2.50, and they are just clear beads. They are different sizes. So right away I find 3 different sizes, but this is what they look like. These are clear. These are great. I've bought these in the past and I use them on Pokie tools. So they do have the larger hole right there. And I believe these fit on beadable pins as well. In case you want to go look online, here is the number. If you enter that number on the search on Hobby Lobby's website, the product will come up if it's still available. But since it's on clearance, I don't know if they're just like repackaging or if they're just not going to carry it anymore. So that's what was in that first one. And then she found me the gold box, which I've actually been eyeing and wanting. I just didn't want to pay the price for it because at most it goes 50% off on sale. So I didn't want to pay for it, but I've been really wanting it. And you know what though? I think this one's different than the one in my store. Because the one in my store has like a bunch of tiny little gold pieces, where this one has roses and like this flower looking one. So actually, I don't even know if I've seen this one. Now that I'm like taking a better look at it, this is not the one I thought it was. Interesting. So in this one, it has like this rose. There's a flower right here. There are these like rectangles. These kind of squares, but they have like a diamond cut to them. And I think that's all of them. Oh, there's this like kind of like flower shaped right here. These 3. Oh, see, there it is. So there's that one. So yeah, I don't know if I've seen this one. Oh, look, there's like a little like saucer one right here. Huh. I'm gonna have to look at my store again because that's not what I remember it looking like. So I'll have to double check on that. And then she found some Disney charms, and this is the Peter Pan theme. Sunny Boy's favorite character is Peter. So I was like, oh my gosh, yes, grab me one of those, please. So we have some pixie dust, and then we have Peter and Tink over here flying over Big Ben. We got Hook's pirate ship, and then a moon, a star, and then just this like little green. And that one was on clearance for $2.50. So super thankful that she was able to pick these up for me, and I super appreciate it. Lisa, thank you so much. So now onto her little gift. Right away, the first thing I noticed was her tissue paper. And I'm sure it's supposed to be like Christmas themed, but I instantly was like, that's Minnie Mouse polka dots right there. Like, let's save that. Let's glue this down to another sheet of paper. Let's use this. So I'm really stoked that she actually has 2 in there. So I'm totally going to be saving that for another day. Oh, there's like a bucket in here. Let's see. Oh, this one. Okay. So this one, I believe she said is a little bit older, but that it came from her mom, and I thought that was really sweet. So they are little Tinkerbell to and from Christmas labels. I will definitely be using these for like a scrapbook layout. They're so cute. We're going on that Disney cruise in December. I cannot wait. I definitely want to get into scrapbooking. I know I said I was going to do it this year, but all my goals and plans for this year just kind of went out the window. Both of my parents have not been in the best health. My dad is still recovering, but the doctor says that it looks like by January, by the end of this year, he should be able to start walking and getting up, which I am so thankful for because it'll take some of the work off of me. So God willing, he'll be able to get moving again. So hopefully I have big plans for next year. All the plans for this year will just roll over to next year. I definitely want to do some swaps next year, so stay tuned for that. Oh, look, it's a little Nomi Homie bucket. How cute. That is so cute. Oh, this must be for Sunny. There is a little piggy in here. That is so cute. Look at his little face. Okay, I'm going to give that one to Sunny because I'm sure that's for him. Oh my gosh, she sent me a photo of making these little garment pins. And she gave me some. Look at how cute that is. So she took the little garment pin. She took a little bead. They're clay beads. I'm guessing she got these off of Temu. And then look at these tiny, tiny little gold beads. And then tiny little pearls. That is so cute. So she gave me one of each color here. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I can definitely use that for a future Disney project. Thank you so much. And then look at her pretty little bag. It has butterflies on there. Oh, look, she did a little keychain. How cute is that? I bought one of these, but I think mine was gold. And look, she hung one of those little garment pins on there. This worked out perfect with the black, the red, and the white. And then look at this little Mickey bead right there. That's really shiny and pretty. I don't know if you can get the little iridescent shine, but that is really, really pretty. Oh, I love that. I'll have to put it on my Disney backpack. I think it should go live there. Oh, cute. Okay, I totally need to make one of these. I've seen people make stuff like this and sell it at like a craft fair, and I've always wanted to make one and I still haven't done it. So now I definitely have to do it because it is just as cute in person as it is on camera. So it's like a little folder, but it has your notepad inside. How cute is that? So she decorated the front right here with some stickers, and then did like a little trim right here. Then when you open it, there's a trim with the Velcro. Oh, there's a pocket over here. Look at that. Oh, that's cute. I like that. A little pocket. And then here is your little notepad. Oh, yes, and then it slides out. So if you use it all, you can replace it with this little tuck over here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm totally going to make one of these. This came out so cute. I need to go to Dollar Tree. I think that's where people get their notepads from, or maybe it was Walmart. I don't remember. But I did buy some mini notebooks from Walmart because they're cheaper there. At Dollar Tree, the mini notebooks are 3 for $1.25, and at Walmart they were $1.12. So I did just buy one of those. So I have a haul that I need to make of what I got at Walmart. But this is really, really cute. I love it. Now I definitely need to make one because it's adorable. So there's that. Oh my gosh, how cute. She did like a little junk journal and Disney themed. How cute is that? So we have like the baby little headband, but she added this little Mickey balloon. Oh, this is nice and like rubbery. That's really cute. I've seen people sell these, but they're like a shoe charm for like the Crocs. So I'm wondering if that's what this is, like the same thing like that. And then there's like a baby's little headband to use as like a belly band. That's super cute. Look at her little Mickeys right here. Oh, I love those. Really, really cute. Then we got our little doily. Oh, look at the little polka dot vellum. I love that. Oh, we got a little Minnie Mouse with her shoes. Oh, this is from a Happy Planner. I recognize this. And then it has like the little tab right here. I feel like I have this. I have so many Happy Planners that just end up getting expired because as they come on clearance through the year, I end up changing my planner. So the ones I had before just end up expiring. Oh my gosh, yeah, look, she pieced it together. That is so clever. So here is the tab, and then she glued another Disney piece on there. That's really cute. Oh, look, just like 2 little hearts to like hold the little page. That's cute. Oh, the witch. How cute. Oh, look, and Cinderella's under there. Oh, this looks like a packaging of something. What packaging is this from? Because there's Rapunzel and Ariel on the back. That's cute. Oh, Dopey. I love Dopey. He's my favorite. Him and Grumpy were always my favorite. And look, we have Snow White on a playing card. I like that playing card. And she's over here on a doily. Super cute. I love this. Oh, look, we have another little tuck spot. Oh, look, she's pretty. She got glitter to her. Cinderella. Oh, I don't remember the mice name. I just remember Gus Gus. Oh, this is cute. Is this like a doily too? Maybe something for like a table setting? I don't know. Oh, Buzz Lightyear. Is this the pocket? No, I don't think that one's a pocket. But we got Buzz Lightyear here. Oh, this is cute. I think these are photo. Yeah, these are photo corners. Oh, maybe she glued it in. Oh, I thought it was to come out. Maybe not. Okay. But that's cute to use like little photo corners to go ahead and attach that. That's nice. Oh, look, she used the calendar over here. I usually keep this and I use it for like scrap paper. Like I said, I have a bunch that end up expiring because I end up buying a bunch or getting a bunch on clearance. I love this. Then I can like plan out like my cruise and then like write each day. That's really cute. I do need to make like a little cruise. Oh, this one's a pocket. I do need to make like a little cruise, something to like keep track of everything. It's a 14-day cruise. And there's like a lot going on, especially with like this Facebook group that me and my mom are in. There's a lot to keep track. There's like meetups and all kinds of stuff. Like these people are very, very with it. I love this button right here. Look, it's like a Mickey shape. That's so cute. I need some of those. I love Tink. Oh, it's the envelope. Oh, I love that. So now there's like a little tuck spot right here. And then we got our little characters. I love that little gloves. This is really cool. I love this. I could definitely use this for our trip. I just need to figure out if there's enough days in the calendar so I can write everything out. How many calendars? I think there was like 3 pages, right? So there's one Thursday through Sunday. Then a whole week here. Then some on the back. Yeah, I think this might be able to work for our trip, that I could take this and like add stuff to it. Oh my gosh, I love that. Thank you so much. This is gonna be perfect. All right, guys, so that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.